Hey Twin Cities, the Parade of Homes Remodeler Showcase is back from April 4th through the 6th. It is your perfect chance to explore the very best in home design and renovation. You absolutely won't want to miss the gorgeous featured home by McDonald Remodeling at 90 Salem Church Road in Sunfish Lake. If you are looking for fresh ideas, eager to see the latest remodeling trends, or just want a dose of inspiration, now's the time. McDonald Remodeling, one of the most awarded remodelers in the Twin Cities, partnered with a repeat client to fully renovate the main floor of this beautiful property. Highlights include a kitchen remodel that flows into the living area, a relocated powder room, a new mudroom and laundry space, and a total primary suite transformation. Plus, you'll see upgraded finishes, a stunning wet room in the primary bath, and dual walk-in closets, all tailored perfectly to the homeowner's wishes. This stunning remodel showcases what McDonald Remodeling can do to breathe new life into any home. Come see for yourself why they're celebrated for creating spaces that are beautiful, enduring, and impeccably crafted. For decades, McDonald Remodeling has been perfecting every detail of the homes that they transform. Mark your calendar. Visit this one-of-a-kind home during the Remodelers Showcase from Friday, April 4th to Sunday, April 6th, 12 to 6 p.m. each day. It's free to attend, and you'll have the chance to chat with the experts, gather ideas, and witness what the best of the best can do. Again, the address is 90 Salem Church Road in Sunfish Lake. Click below for directions and more information. We can't wait to see you there.